Hi, today we're talking about training and skill development expenses tracker. So, if you're putting training and skill emphasis on your employees, you can definitely utilize this template to keep track of all the expenses. So, as you can see, we have got employee name, the program name, the provider, the cost associated with the training, the date enrolled, completion date, and all the things which you want to track is available over here. Okay. If you scroll to the top, you can see we have active courses, certified employees, and team training view. Okay, under active courses, if any courses which have been put under ongoing mode, which are currently active, are visible over here. So all the particular courses which are under the ongoing status are visible over here. Under certified employees, you can see the employees which have received the certification. Okay, so the certification received has it put on checked mode. It is being shown over here. So any employee who has not received certification won't be visible. So let's say I click on this for the Ben. You can see Ben and Alice both are coming over here. Okay, and then what we need to see is team training view. Team training view is basically divided into different uh, like program or course name. So under the grouping we have created different programs or courses. So as you can see, this program course is shown over here, and we have grouped that over here, and we're seeing the different team members who are being trained. Okay, so like Ben is getting trained under SEO fundamentals, Alice under UX design masterclass. So all these things are visible over here. You can obviously keep track of the cost and the expenses associated with that, and you can choose to do that by going to the properties and selecting the particular properties which you want to enable. So this is all in all a quick and easy way to keep track of training and skill development for the particular employees. If you want to customize this template or make changes to the template with whatever requirements you might be having, I'll be happy to help you and assist you with that. You can reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I will be able to help you with any of the queries which you might be having. I would also like to talk about a new tool, PDF Output. PDF Output is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. For this, it utilizes a Notion database as a CRM. It also works with generating single documents. So just click on this Create PDF. You have both the options, single PDF and multiple PDF. Under single PDF, you can generate a single PDF document adding a Notion page. Okay. Under multiple PDF, you can add a Notion database which can generate the PDF documents in bulk. You can obviously watch the demo for each of the modes and understand how exactly this works. Or you can read the instructions and understand more about the process with the screenshots that have been attached to know more about the process. So this is quite a handy tool to generate documents for a use case. Again, if you have any questions, you can use this contact window at video output to send me a message, or you can directly send me an email at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you with any queries. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.